Here's how to add captions or subtitles to your footage. First, in the project panel, right-click, New Item, Captions. Under Standard, select Open Captions and hit OK. Click and drag your caption onto your timeline. Double-click to bring up the Captions editor. You notice that the text is not sitting dead center. To adjust this, we can select any one of these squares to move it. Additionally, you can use the X and Y percentages to adjust your caption more precisely. Once you've entered in your text, you can finely tune where your text starts and begins. Simply click and drag the in and out point. To adjust the opacity of the black box behind your text, simply select the square and adjust the opacity percentage. To add a new caption, have your Captions adjustment layer selected, and under your Captions panel, hit the plus icon. This will add a new caption in. You can click and drag this to where you need it, and then add in your text. Unfortunately, there is no easy way to add fade in or fade out. The only way to do this is by adding keyframes. Have your adjustment layer selected and bring your timeline cursor to the start of where your caption is visible. Under the effects controls, select the opacity. We want this to be 0% here, so we'll select a keyframe and we'll select the percentage to be 0. Drag your timeline cursor a few frames forward and set your percentage to 100%. Now your caption will fade in. First, click and drag. To have your caption fade out, simply create a new keyframe where you want the caption to begin the fade out at 100% and drag your timeline cursor to the end of the caption, create a new keyframe and set its percentage to 0%. You can do this for your other captions simply by clicking and dragging Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V and adjusting where the start points are for your caption. You can also do this by clicking and dragging, holding Alt and clicking and dragging again. To export your footage with captions, File, Export Media. Select whatever format it is you need and the preset, and under Captions, Export Captions, Burn Captions into Video. Hit Export.